Welcome to Canary Beach Resort. Discover your escape to paradise and book your unforgettable stay by scanning the QR code appearing now or consult the description below for details. Nestled along the breathtaking coastline of Phan Thiet, Vietnam, Canary Beach Resort invites you to experience serenity redefined. Imagine waking to the gentle whisper of the ocean, the soft caress of a tropical breeze, ready to embrace a day designed for pure relaxation. From the moment you arrive, the warmth of our hospitality envelopes you. Our attentive staff dedicated to ensuring every detail of your stay is flawlessly executed. Our resort, a tranquil haven offering 98 thoughtfully designed rooms, seamlessly blends modern comfort with breathtaking natural beauty. Each room, whether the inviting coziness of our standard accommodations or the expansive luxury of our suites, provides a sanctuary of style and repose. Embrace the day with a leisurely morning, savoring a delectable breakfast at our on-site restaurant before indulging in a refreshing swim in the sparkling pool. Should the allure of Phan Thiet's vibrant culture beckon, our proximity to the city center, just 15 kilometers away, offers effortless exploration. And for families, we extend a special welcome, with children aged 11 and under staying free of charge. Enjoy complimentary breakfast, convenient parking, and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity throughout your stay. Let Canary Beach Resort be your gateway to an unforgettable experience. Remember to secure your escape. Scan the QR code now to reserve your experience at Canary Beach Resort.